As you can see, if I wanted to lick, man.
I know that dog with the Ruger. I took your bitch to a room. If I was super, cause she got a super. But I said,
see what happens when you tweet? You act crazy. I gotta keep it cool.
You gotta put your earrings on for it.
Yo, life is good, man. Life is good. You know? It didn't come with the box. But as you can see, these are brand new. These have never been worn. You know what I'm saying? These are brand new. I don't have the box, but who needs a box? We gotta think outside the box, okay? Don't focus on the box, think outside the box. So the Gillas didn't come in a box.
That's how you get your bread. You don't focus on the box.
Right.
Niggas.
I don't wanna, I mean, these laces, you know these is good laces. These ain't no comp. Oh,
My Starbucks.
these, you know, I'm gonna be a little gentle.
Tell Peter your mink dragging on the floor, sis. Chill.
If I, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna let you rock, bro. I'm gonna let you rock. Your commentary lately? Yeah.
You like that? Ew. With your skin all shining. You're a jerk. You're a jerk. 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 And jerk. Jerk. Jerk.
They really do it. I used to jerk, y'all. Wow. This it's like I'm acting. It's wild because I just like,
What's that? Facts?
no Twitter.
Me and the money is way too attached to ever do that. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Alright, see, this is back to the Gillas, y'all. See, we be getting sidetracked. Yeah, like, so initial reaction of comfort. It's incredibly comfortable, which is good because the material is very sturdy and firm. But I like it. It's very comfortable. It feels like money. I feel like I'm gonna be busting mad moves and everything up, getting it done.
Ooh.
Getting it done.
Ooh.
Getting it done.
Ooh.
Getting it done. Ooh, I feel like I go to the Dominican party and these shits. Hey. Ooh. Okay, I'm happy. Perfect purchase, bro. Okay, so here I am with some tips for buying designer online. Know your size and your European size, because that will help, because there have been times where I didn't know, and I accidentally bought a men's size 8.5. Number 2, if you would like to try on the shoe, because you want to know like how if it's comfortable or not, go to Neiman Marcus, like department stores, or you can go to the store. Who's telling you can't go in the store? You can go to the store. Don't feel like just because celebrities go into these stores that you can't go to these stores. Open to the public. Don't make them run you out of their store. But no, for real, like,
that ass.
Don't feel like you can't go into the designer stores. I used to feel like that. Like I couldn't walk into the store and, you know, try stuff on. Yes, you don't have to buy it right there. You don't have to buy out the store to be able to buy it. You feel me? If you just want what you want, who's stopping you? Mm-hmm. But yeah, what else? What's another tip? If you're buying like used, like these I bought technically used, but as you can see, as you can see, if I wanted to lick, man,
Mad juicy.
and like I'm showing y'all that these are brand new Margielas, bro. Like they're not fake. Like I would never do that. I'm not that type of person. But yeah, you can get brand new stuff for a better price if you shop online and you shop smart. So yeah, that's just a few tips for you guys in buying designer shoes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. if you're still watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see a styling video with these babies. Bye!